In this exercise, we're going to create this grill as we can see here. So the exercise covers Swept Boss, 3D sketch, mirror bodies, linear pattern, and Extruded Boss. So let's go to the first step. In the first step, we have to create the following 3D sketch. So let's go down here. So here we can see much better. So we start here at the origin, and then we're going to draw a line in the XY plane as we can see here, 100 millimeters. Then here we have a line under 135 degrees. And then we have a line here 30 millimeters. Then here we have a line 130 millimeters. And then here we have a line 30 millimeters. Here we have a line under 45 degrees with a length of 30 millimeters. And then here we have a line of 100 millimeters. So let's go to the SOLIDWORKS. Let's create a new document, part document. Let's go here to the sketch. Let's choose 3D sketch. So now we can see that we are working in the XY plane. Let's go with a line. And now let's draw here a horizontal line like this. Now we go down like this. Then again we have a horizontal line. Now we have to change the plane. So let's click on the tab like this. Now we go here with this line. Now again we have to change the plane. Now you can see that we are in the XZ plane. And now we are in the XY plane. This is what we're looking for. So let's go with a line like this. Here we have a line under angle 45 degrees. And then here we have a horizontal line like this. Now let's go to Smart Dimensions. So here we have 100 millimeters. Like this. Here we have 135 degrees. That's okay. Here we have 30 millimeters, like this. And here we have 30 millimeters as well. This one is 130 millimeters. And here we have 30 millimeters. Here we have angle 45 degrees. Like this. And the length of this line is 30 millimeters. And the length of this line is 100 millimeters. Like this. Let's click OK. Now if we go here and we click on this point here, we can see that we can rotate this. As you can see. Let's go here. Let's click on this line here. Let's go here to the tree. Let's choose front plane. Hold Ctrl and choose front plane. Now let's go with on plane relation. Like this. Let's click OK. Now we see that this line becomes fully defined. Now let's click on this point here. Hold Ctrl and this point here. Let's go along Z. Like this. Now here we can see that we can rotate those two lines here. So let's go to Smart Dimensions. Let's create dimension between this line and this line here. Let's go with 130 millimeters. Like this. Let's click OK. And now our sketch is fully defined. Now we can go here to Sketch Fillet. We go with radius 20 millimeters. And we select this point, this point, this point, this one here, and this one here. Let's click OK. And now our sketch is complete. In the step 2, we have to create the following feature using Swept. So we're going to use circular profile and diameter 5 millimeters. So let's go to Features, Swept Boss Base, Circular Profile. We're going to choose this profile here, and we're going to choose diameter 5 millimeters, like this. Let's click OK. Now in the step 3, on the front plane, we have to create the following sketch. So here we have a circle with a diameter of 3.5 millimeters. And here we have a distance from the origin, 5 millimeters. So let's go to the SOLIDWORKS. Let's go on the front plane. Let's create a sketch. Let's go normal 2. Like this. Let's go to the other side, like this. Now let's go to the circle. Let's create a circle with diameter 3.5 millimeters. And the distance between the center and the origin is 5 millimeters. And our sketch is not fully defined circle because we can move this circle as you can see, up and down, like this. So what we want to do, we want to click on this point here in the origin, the center. Let's make the relation horizontal, like this. Let's click OK. And now we can extrude the previously created sketch up to the following phase. So let's go to the features, Extruded Boss base, like this. Let's choose here direction and condition up to surface. So let's choose this face here. And we can see the preview. This is what we want. We can just click OK. In the step 5, we have to choose linear pattern. We have to create 9 instances of the previously created feature with distance of 10 mm in the X direction. So let's go here to the features. Let's choose linear pattern. Here we have direction. For the direction, we're going to choose this face here, like this. The spacing is 10 mm. We have 9 instances. Let's go here with 9. Now let's choose direction. Let's go to reverse direction, like this. We can see the preview, and this is what we want. Now just simply let's click OK. And this is the result. In the step 6, we have to mirror the created part above the right plane using mirror bodies. Now let's go to the features, mirror. As a mirror face plane, we're going to use this face here, like this. As a body to mirror, we're going to select this body here, like this. We can see the preview. Now let's click OK. And this is the result. So this is what we're looking for. And now if you want, you can add a material. You can go to appearances. Let's go with a metal. We can go with steel, and let's add a polished steel. With steel, let's select sweep, boss, pattern, and mirror. And let's double click on the polished steel. And now we have added appearance to our body.